3. Get a house just to lay in a bed so we can scroll a phone till we're sick in the head. We're all throwing stones till somebody's dead, but I wonder what we'd do if we knew. Something shifted in the air, we all felt it together everywhere. So many years we just sat back and stared, but I wonder what we'd do if we knew. Jesus is coming back soon. Jesus is coming back soon. I can feel it in my bones. The day is coming close. Tell the world that they gotta know. Jesus is coming back soon. He's coming back soon. Yeah. Sooner than later, like a thief in the night, he's coming back like a groom for his bride. I see it now, he's got love in his eyes, coming back for hearts set on fire. I can't help but recognize we live life on borrowed time. It could come back in our lives. I wonder what we'd do if we knew. Jesus is coming back soon. Jesus is coming back soon. I can feel it in my bones. The day is coming close. Tell the world, yeah, they gotta know. Jesus is coming back soon. If every knee's gonna bow, why not here? Why not now? If every tongue will confess, why not here in this breath? If it could come back today, let's go out singing praise. Lift you high all my days. Jesus Christ, I know you're coming back soon. Jesus is coming back soon. I can feel it in my bones. The day is coming close. Tell the world that they gotta know. I can feel it in my soul. The King will bring us home. So tell the world that they gotta know. Don't know the hour or the day, but still I gotta say to the world that they gotta know. Jesus is coming back soon. Yeah. I was stuck inside that grave a long time. Didn't think I'd make it through those long nights, but you never late, you always on time. Remember when you got me out there, you got me out there. And now I see your blessings every day. Thankful that your kingdom's on the way. Angels all around me, hear them sing like, oh, I'll never get used to this. I'll never get used to this. This is how I wanna live. Forever we'll be singing like, oh. Walk up out the grave, yeah, I'm alive now. Told the devil, boy, you out of time now. Spirit moving in me on my fire now. And I know it won't ever die out, won't ever die out. And now I see your blessings every day. Thankful that your kingdom's on the way. Angels all around me, hear them sing like, oh, I'll never get used to this. I'll never get used to this. This is how I wanna live. Forever we'll be singing like, oh, I'll never get used to this. Yeah. From the morning to the evening, I could sing your praise all day. From the prison to the garden, you're the God who's breaking chains. When I look back on my whole life, there's a silver lining of grace. I can't wait to thank you, Jesus. Oh, I'll never get used to this. I'll never get used to this. This is how I wanna live. forever.